In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, à travers. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about à travers, and the preposition à travers can be translated to through or across in English. So we will see four examples with the preposition à travers. Il regarde à travers la fenêtre. Il regarde à travers la fenêtre. Elle voyage à travers l'Europe cet été. Elle voyage à travers l'Europe cet été. Le soleil brille à travers les nuages. Le soleil brille à travers les nuages. J'ai découvert la culture japonaise à travers ces films. J'ai découvert la culture japonaise à travers ces films.